how to repost a video on TikTok. So if you have a video that you're watching and you want to repost it onto your page, it's real easy to do. So go to TikTok, and I'm just going to quickly pause it so I don't get the audio here. So if you want to repost a video on TikTok, all you have to do is go down to the share button, which is the small arrow pointing to the right. So go ahead and hit that, and you'll see a repost area on the far left-hand side. So go ahead and hit repost. So now your video is reposted. What you can do is add something to your post if you want, be it hashtags, another caption. And if you want to go see that reposted content, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner here, and then go to where it says the repost area. You'll see two arrows chasing each other. So go ahead and click that in the middle of your screen, and you'll be able to see what you physically have reposted onto your page. And that's it. That's how you would repost a video on TikTok.